Let's start today's session with taking one situation, my friend. Listen to this situation very sincerely and carefully, as your whole life, as your whole upcoming future is dependent on this strategy, my friend. This strategy can make you rich. This strategy can make you millennium if followed properly. Am I clear with this? Are you getting what I am saying? If not, then watch this video again and then move forward. Let's suppose you completed your CA course, my friend, and you're currently possessing CA degree in your hand. Now the market is open for you to explore and you're looking for a career to make your future secure, right? And somehow you get the information that the Nestle company is currently having an opening for chartered accountant. They have requirement for chartered accountant for their auditing department and for different locations. They are looking for fresher candidate with zero experience and offering 8 lakh rupees salary per annum. Whoa, it's a great opportunity, isn't it? But the challenge is they have conducted 3 rounds: written test, HR round and technical round for screening or shortlisting a candidate. Now they got 80 candidates' resumes and your resume is one of them. Now tell me, who is going to be selected? There is 80 candidates' resumes are there and 3 requirements are there. 80 candidates, 3 requirements. Oh come on man, अब तक तो मेरी बात समझ में आ गई होगी. 80 candidates, 3 requirements, all having same degree. किसी के पास ज़्यादा नॉलेज होगी तो किसी के पास कम नॉलेज होगी. कोई HR राउंड में बहुत अच्छा होगा तो कोई टेक्निकल राउंड में बहुत अच्छा होगा तो किसी का रिटन टेस्ट बहुत अच्छा गया होगा. Who is going to be selected? 80 candidates, 3 requirements. Who is going to be selected? The person having more smart knowledge is going to be selected. And if you are not prepared for that situation, it's a dead end, my friend. Now, which situation is good? Opportunity knocks and you're not prepared for that. Result, negative. Opportunity knocks and you're well prepared for that. You are hungry for that opportunity. Result, positive. 1000% positive. You getting what I'm saying? Does it making sense, my friend? So to avoid this situation, we need to do something. You need to do something, isn't it? Don't you think so? I have divided this strategy into 5 steps. And if you follow this strategy, I already told you the benefits. If you follow this strategy, you will never ever face this kind of situation. Step number 1 is download the attachment. The link is down below, in which you will find different types of industries and particular categories. Now what you have to do is select and choose at least 5 to 10 your dream industry from that document, my friend. Your dream industry, जहाँ पे आप काम करना चाहते हैं. Select 5 to 10. Okay? Note it down and paste it everywhere. See it every night and every morning. Every night and every morning. Step number 2. From now onwards, आप जो भी टॉपिक पढ़ो, जो भी चैप्टर करो, जो भी सब्जेक्ट पढ़ो, इस ड्रीम इंडस्ट्री को अपने विजन में दिमाग में रखना और ये सोचकर उस चीज को पढ़ने की कोशिश करना, उस कंसेप्ट को समझने की कोशिश करना कि अगर मैं उस इंडस्ट्री में होता और इसी टाइप का ट्रांजैक्शन या इसी टाइप की एक्टिविटी या इसी टाइप का कोई लॉ मेरे सामने आता जो मुझे फेस करना हो, उस टाइम पे मैं उस सिचुएशन को कैसे फेस करता और कैसे फेस करूंगा, उसी अकॉर्डिंग इस कंसेप्ट को समझो. डू नॉट mug up any concept, my friend. Learn that concept according to have that vision in your mind. Getting, my friend? Step number 3. Gather as much information as you can, day by day, starting from now. Try to understand their process. Try to understand their requirements. Try to understand their marketing strategy. Try to understand, deep and dig as much as you can. Gather information as much as you can, starting from now. Step number 4. Have a high beam vision, my friend. Do not have low beam vision. अपने आने वाले 5 years के बारे में सोचो, अपने आने वाले 10 years के बारे में सोचो कि जो मैं आज कर रहा हूँ वो 5 years या 10 years बाद क्या impact देने वाला है. Have a high beam vision. Step number 5. Do not waste your time doing unproductive things. It's not going to serve you good, my friend. Do not waste your time. I'm repeating this again. Do not waste your time doing unproductive things. Just focus, have laser precision focus on your career. Okay? So by now I hope आपको समझ में आ गया होगा कि इन 5 steps को कैसे utilize करना है. Okay? So I'll see you at the next episode. Till then, keep calm, do not take pressure, follow our strategy and believe.